introduction of Indian astrology, or Jyotish as it is called in the oldest language in the world, Sanskrit. In order to make sense of Indian astrology, we have to understand where it comes from. That's why we need to introduce the Vedas, the oldest writings known to humanity. The word Veda means knowledge, and the 4 Vedas are the exposition of pure spiritual knowledge. These 4 Vedas are called Rik, Sama, Yajur, and Atharva. No one knows how old they are, but we know that they have been passed on in an oral tradition for thousands of years, basically memorized by entire generations after generations before they were ever written down thousands of years ago. These are not only the oldest writings on earth, but they are also the oldest source of astrology. The functional limbs of the Vedas are collections of 6 sciences called Vedangas. These are the science of Sanskrit sounds, Shiksha, of Vedic rituals, Kalpa, of Sanskrit grammar, Vyakran, of etymology and meaning of Sanskrit words, Nirukta, of rules of chanting the Veda, Chanda, and of the science of astrology, Jyotish. Traditionally, these Vedangas are also considered to be the physical limbs of the Veda, such as nose, head, mouth, ears, feet, and eyes. So, the last Vedanga, Jyotish, corresponds to the eyes of the Veda, perhaps because it helps people to see ahead in time. So what does the word Jyotish mean? The first part, Jyot, simply means light, and the second part, Ish, means God. So, an accurate translation of the word Jyotish would be the light of God. There are 6 branches of Jyotish. The first one is Gola, which deals with positional astronomy, the orbits and movements of sun, moon, and the planets. The second one is Ganita, which has to do with the mathematics needed to analyze the findings of Gola. The third is Jatak, natal astrology, which looks at the birth charts of individuals for predictions or preventions. The fourth is Prashna, or horary astrology, which answers the questions according to the horoscope of the moment the question is asked. The fifth is Muhurta, or electional astrology, which selects the best astrological time to do different activities. The sixth one is Nimitta, which deals with omens or signs that indicate upcoming events. In this tutorial, we will almost exclusively deal with Jatak, or birth charts, horoscopic astrology. Thanks for watching this brief introduction. The next tutorial will discuss the main differences between Jyotish and mainstream Western astrology.